starting these. I think they're starting these guys up. There's like a ringing sound. I don't know for sure, but last time I heard that ringing sound, we got a startup. So I think they might be starting these guys up. We can get a startup. So, yeah. Hopefully we can get them starting up. That would be awesome. That would be my second, actually no, my third. That would be my third time seeing train locomotives start up. Oh, yup, he's running. They just started him. That second locomotive right there, number 5. I see the smoke coming out. I didn't hear it though. I didn't hear him start, but looks like he's going now. Yep. Oh yeah. They just started him up. That's I don't know. Maybe we have another truck. Nice. Another truck. Trucks everywhere today. Yeah, they just started these locomotives up. Awesome. Yeah, I believe this is my third time seeing a startup ever. And it's also my third time seeing that high hood, and my second time seeing an SD40-3. Wow. This is awesome. I wonder if these guys are going to start moving, because they just started them up. Huh. This is cool. Alright guys, we may have to go because it just started raining and it appears these trains aren't going anywhere. So I think I have to go. Here comes a nice little truck. There he is. Awesome. Oh yeah, these guys definitely started up, but they're not going anywhere, and it's raining, so I'm gonna go. Wow, this was awesome. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Please subscribe, guys. This is awesome.